morning. Welcome to Hyatt Hotel. Hi, good morning. I'd like to make a reservation for the first week of December. Do you have any vacant? What's the best in the hotel? Yes, sir. We have plenty of rooms available in that particular week. Hyatt Hotel also have wide parking, fastest free Wi-Fi, free breakfast, bar and lunch, fitness center, rooftop, swimming pool, designated smoking area, hub function hall for any kind of event, and from hotel's facility, this is fully automated hotel with advanced technology, fastest transactions. Okay, thank you for the information. What is the exact date do you prefer? 4th of December. How long your stay? We'll be staying for 1 night. By the way, sir, for the rooms available, we have single bed, couple bed, king size bed, and deluxe room for family. A deluxe room for family, please. Okay, ma'am, would you prefer to have a room with a view of the ocean? If that type of room is available, we would love to have an ocean view, please. What's the rate for the room? Okay, ma'am, your room rates for deluxe room for family is 7,500 pesos for 1 night. Now, what name will reservation be listed under? Rosana Fernandez. Okay, ma'am. And there is a phone number where you can be contacted. My phone number is 0927-440-3021. Great. Now, I'll need your credit card information to serve the room for you. What type of card is it? Visa card, and the number is 0912-00000085. Thank you so much. By the way, ma'am, what is the name of card holder? Rosana Fernandez. Alright, ma'am, your reservation has been made for the 4th of December for a room with deluxe family with a nice view of ocean. Check-in is at 8 a.m. If you have any other question, please do not hesitate to call. Thank you so much.